so busy. Oh, you can hear a whole bunch of bees right here. Look at that. Look at all the pollen on his legs.
Okay, this is our carrot patch. Okay, this is our carrot patch, and I just wanted to do a quick update. It's pretty exciting. I have just counted 8 species of flying insects, and I don't even know my insects very well, so there could be more than 8. I just think there's 8 because they were so obviously different. But they're here, and they're feeding on these umbels. Oh, there's a butterfly, a miniature butterfly right here.
Oh yes. See if
Let's
I
show
can...
head. So that's 9.
Look at how pretty. Oh, and a bee and a butterfly just sitting there being buddies. Love the carrots.
Okay.
Okay, sorry. Got distracted by pretty
So this
things.
is exciting. This is working. I don't know how much this microphone is picking up, but we can hear our environment. When you walk into your environment, you should be able to hear it. And we can hear our environment today. Now, the sprinkler, you can probably hear that. That's not what I'm talking about. That's a man-made water pressure deal.
It's the buzz.
We need to be hearing birds and insects and other animals. That's what you want to hear.
The
and
little
we
rustle.
can hear that. Rachel Carson wrote a book way back in the day which started the environmental movement, and the direction the environmental movement has gone, it's gone in a lot of different ways, and I don't agree with a lot of it because they don't have good solutions. But her book was called Silent Spring, because when you go out there, they were using DDT. It was killing every living thing, which was a horrible aside. It killed all animals, not just. It wasn't just an insecticide because it would kill birds. So
it was like a biocide. Everything was dying.
It was awful, and people died from it too.
Yeah.
So, but
it was silent.
But it was silent, and it's just such beautiful imagery. So you can know if you walk out into your food-producing land, if you can hear the environment, you are doing something right. But that is not what this video is about. This video is about our carrot seed. Now, a flower that grows up and has a flat, wide, umbrella-shaped flower is called an umbel. So if I was 1 inch tall and I was standing here, this would be a nice umbrella. So plant science, they call it an umbel. This is an umbel, this is an umbel. So this is just the shape of the flower that you see on carrots. So this is going to produce good carrot seed. How do I know that these seeds are going to be viable? Because I'm pretty confident they are. How would I know that? Because
Got good pollination going on.
Look at all the pollinators. I have honeybees from my honey. Look, the beehives are right there. We have beehives right there. They're like 60 feet away.
And the bees are all over here.
And there are honeybees here. There are wasps. Here's a fly. I don't know what species of fly that is, but he's got his proboscis. He's going down in there. He's helping to pollinate. There's a honeybee right here. There he is, right there. He's about to touch my finger. And we already saw a whole bunch of others.
There's a little kind of a...
But I'm excited
That's
because
a different one.
these are being... Yeah, that's a different little wasp.
A little kind of a wasp.
I think I counted that type earlier when I was getting my count. But this is just so exciting. Here's a mud dauber right here. These are the ones that make the mud nests. He just flew away. Okay, so this is a honeybee right here, but that is not one of mine. So there are wild honeybees around here. He's black, and I don't have black bees. I have yellow honeybees. So that's exciting to see that we have wild honeybees around here. That means I need to put up a bee trap and catch
Catch a few swarms.
Wild swarms of bees. But how would I know if there were wild honeybees if I don't have anything for them to eat? So many people say crazy things to me. They say stuff like, why don't you just buy carrot seed? Why would you go to the trouble to raise it yourself? Oh, it's so hard for me to even have a conversation with people like that. I don't know what to say because we are on such different levels. It's not that they're a bad person. It's just that we come from such different worlds. My question is, if I can raise a crop of carrot seed, why wouldn't I? It's the most glorious thing in the world. Look at all of the pollinators who have come in here to pollinate these crops. In fact, I think that's another one right there. Look at that wasp right there. He's super black, green, purple. I didn't see one of those earlier. So that's another, now I've lost count. Where's I at?
Ooh, look at how shiny he is on his abdomen.
Yeah.
It's like he's got a really gorgeous sheen on him.
Did he fly away?
I think that puts us up to 8.
Anyway, this is exciting. Just look right here. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but if you look right there, there's like, I can see like 200 flying insects just right here.
Oh, there's a lot.
I mean,
over
this
there.
is fascinating. I have little tiny bees. They look like mason bees. I have little bees, and I've never even seen what kind they are before. It might be the first time I've ever seen one of those in my life. Some of these. We've got the mud dauber wasp. We have that black wasp we just saw. There were 2 or 3 other little wasps. There's flies. There's 2 types of honeybees. My honeybees. There's one of mine right there from my hive, because he's a beautiful yellow. And then there was that black one we saw a minute ago. That's a honeybee. But it's a wild honeybee that just lives right here in our own nature. So this is incredible. This is absolutely incredible. Something is working right. The environment is working. Soil health is working. I can hear my environment. There are indicators when you walk out into your food producing place. If you can hear your environment, that's an indicator that things are working. And there's other indicators, but we don't have 2 hours. Hopefully this helps you to have a carrot flower.